Guru is the way. First step, read the whole thing. A really good technique, by the way, when learning a new language is to read each word twice. Guru reva, gattihi, gattihi. Guru meva, bhaje, bhaje. Guru naiva, sahasmi, sahasmi. Namo, namo, gurave, gurave. Na, guroho, guroho. Paramam, paramam. Guroho, guroho. Matir astu, Gurao, gurao. Mama, pahi, pahi, guro. Step 2, break down the sandhi. Gureva, guruhu, eva. The guru indeed, gattihi. Gattihi is the means of the way. So, and you put the asti at the end, right? So guru indeed is the way. Just following that asmi or asti, whatever it is in terms of isness, and then it was gonna make much more sense. Gurum, this is accusative. Eva, bhaje. Bhaje is just a common, bhajati is he, she, it reveres. Bhaje is I revere or I worship. So guru indeed I worship. Guru na eva saha asmi. With the guru, indeed I am. Namaha gurave. For the guru, namaha is, as we namas, homage or reverence or prostrations. So for the guru, prostration. Na guroho paramam shishurasmi. Not of the guru, highest, or maybe could be from. So not from the guru, highest. Nothing is higher from guru. Shishuhu asmi guroho. In this case, we got 2 times guroho. So this could be of the guru, child, shishuhu, just another name for child, praja if you want, prajam. Child, I am of the guru. Notice how the order is, because this is poetry, right? So the order is a little bit different than we expect. We will say guroho, shishuhu asmi. Mattihi astu gurao. So gurao, that ao is in the guru. Intention, astu, may the intention be on or in the guru. Okay, intention matihi astu, may it be, right? So it's a command, may it be. And mama pahi, pahi again is this imperative, the word we haven't learned, but guro at the end is vocative, so we're saying instruction. So may, pahi is you must, so you must protect. So you must protect mama. You would probably expect something like you must protect of me. So a little bit of a context. You must protect me. Okay, so I'll chant this and then we listen and then we will try. Guru re vagati, guru me vabhaje, guru nai vasahasmi namo gurave, naguro paramam shishurasmi guru. Matirastu gurau mama pahi guru. Guru re vagati, guru me vabhaje, guru naiva sahasmi namo gurave, naguro paramam shishurasmi guru. Matirastu gurau mama pahi guru. Some conversations. So let's improvise. Hello. Aho, where are you coming from? Taha agamanam. From school or from home or playground. Okay, so school, vidyalayat, vidyalayat, ablative, grahat, ablative, kridanganat, playground, kridanganat. Or shop and market, shop, apanat, apanat. And market, vipanitaha, vipanitaha. Mandirat, say, where are you going? Kutra gachati. Notice how it doesn't say kutra gachasi, as we said. Politer ways to say kutra gachati, even though you really mean you. Home or to the playground. Graham or kridanganam. Kridanganam. Vidyalayam or karyalayam. To the shop, temple. Apanam. Mandiram. Okay. Or we can say, how is your study progressing? Adhyayanam, adhyayanam. So remember, chalati is like walk. So prachalati, slight modification. How are you moving forward? He, she, it progresses. So adhyayanam katam prachalati. And notice how for the English speakers, we would put katam at the beginning. Sanskrit, it's not necessarily at the beginning. Very well, Uttamam. And then, how is your health? Swasthyam katamasti. I have a stomach ache, replies the client. Udare pida bhavati. Or we can say, did you see yesterday's newspaper? Kyatanaha. And then vrta patram. Patram is leaf. Leaf of happenings. That's a good name. Let's buy the leaf of happenings. Okay, so hyatanaha vrta patram drishtam. Drishtam, we will learn about PPPs in the next chapter. What happened? Kim jatam. Kim jatam. No, let's play. Nahi, ke lamaha. So be it. Bhavatu, bhavatu.